Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how we can turn off or on rotation on your iPhone. So iOS 14. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in iOS 14, and when you're here, you want to simply go to the right top corner and just swipe down, and then next to the moon you're gonna see portrait rotation lock is on or off. So this is how you can do it, and this is how we do it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance and support and stuff like that. And yeah, have a great day everybody, and goodbye.